These ESR spectroscopic studies involves the use of infrared radiation, visible radiations, ultraviolet radiation, microwave radiation. The correct option is option D, microwave radiations. Electron spin resonancy or EPR, electron paramagnetic resonance spectroscopy is used to study species with unpaired electrons such as free radicals or transition metal ions. In ESR, the unpaired electrons spin interacts with an external magnetic field. Microwave radiations around 9 to 10 Hz is used in the cause of transition between the electron spin states. Also, it works by observing these unpaired electrons interact with the magnetic field and microwave radiations. If you know further about ESR spectroscopy and microwave interaction, especially the ESR spectroscopy relies on the interaction of microwave radiation with unpaired electron in sample placed with the magnetic field. The working principle of ESR electron spin resonancy spectroscopy involves the interaction of paramagnetic species with static magnetic field and microwave radiation. Sample preparation, magnetic field application, microwave interaction. If you know detail about this of the working principle, sample preparation, magnetic field application, microwave radiation, resonancy condition, absorption of microwave energy, signal detection, data analysis. So electron spin resonance spectroscopy studies that involves the use of microwave radiation. Thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for patience. That is now bye bye.